Whenever you type content, the font choices you make can determine how easy it is for someone to read what you have typed. Let's take a look at a few font considerations to make before uploading a document and how to make font adjustments. From the lesson, we learned that fonts are the different styles of typed text. Some fonts are more suited for readability than others. For print media, Times New Roman and Georgia are widely accepted. However, for digital content, it's better practice to use Verdana, Tahoma, Arial, or Calibri. We are able to change the font style by selecting the text and then selecting the new font style. I will choose Verdana. While my text is still selected, I will check the font size. The current font size is 11 point. A good rule of thumb is to use a size between 12 and 18 point. I will use 12 point and consistently use this font style and size in all content areas. It is important to remember to avoid capitalizing large amounts of text. When many words are capitalized together, the text is often difficult to read. When the content is viewed online, this could be considered yelling. I will change the sentence typed in all caps to sentence case. Taking a few minutes to make sure you have used accessible font choices helps to ensure that our content is readable.